Welcome back to Ziggy's channel. I'm going to show you what he's been up to today. He's been fucking slacking at doing naffle. Here's what we got up to. He's gave me this wonderful piece of skin, clean slate. What we did this morning is we free-handed some of these Japanese wind bars on, and some of those rocks. These little black lines you see falling through here. We free-handed those on, sort of comes all the way around as well. Not completely finished yet. We've still got up here to do. We based sort of like, just got a tiny little base layer line just so for next time we can see where we're going. With that I just used a 3-liner. Inks I used raw, this set, so I used raw, but I used the light, not dark, and I used extra light as well for the ghost lines. And then what we did for these blacks at the start, I used Pantera XXX black. I don't really get on with Pantera, neither does Zig. I know when Zig tried it on my arm, he didn't really get on with it at the start.
Which means I might get these little spots on you.
Yeah, Zig's going to get loads of pussy spots. Zig's got pussy spots, pass it on. Yeah, but it was okay. We got enough in. Liners I've used, so I used a 7 type from Quadrant. I think they're really nice. I used a 3 type from Ghost, and Quadrant I used a 9 curve mag and a 15 curve mag. And then I think at some point I did sneak in a 23 mag from Ghost, which is pretty nice. I do like them, they go in quite smooth. And that's it, yeah. Sort of cleaned up those edges with the extra light, and then that's all packed in with the light.
Yeah, they didn't take photos of hand-drawn marker lines, like yellow, green, or
on the meta glasses. Yeah. I might have a little on my phone as well.
Yeah,
but
there's actually a video how you draw them. Do you take actually photos? No, just video.
I think so, yeah. I don't actually know. To be honest, there might be no proof, so... yeah.
Well, I filmed loads of videos of like 360, so you're gonna have some pigeon shots. Yeah, I took some videos of Sean just drawing me with Sean's glasses. He has these meta glasses, then I was just spinning around, get some beauty shots. Yeah, overall pretty cool. I kind of literally envisioned this. He sketched the base, and then I took marker and just kind of gave him some sort of flow and explained on the spot what kind of needs to be done. He just did it, which is, I never really planned to get 2 rows of black. I thought we only gonna have 1. I wanted the black to go through the trophy. I thought that would be a cool way of linking them two together, which happened. And then I thought it'd be cool if that points towards the finger. Otherwise, where else is gonna go like offset? And that also happened. That's pretty dope. And then second one, we sneaked inside that, which was pretty sneaky. And then we were debating about this area, and then convinced Sean to do a wind bar through this. Just otherwise it would be like a big black, well, grey area, which would serve kind of no purpose whatsoever. But now it does a little bit. But I think it makes less sense when there's more shading around it. It will make more sense when this will be shaded, that shaded, that shaded. It will all look more completed. But yeah, Sean's been reworking my arm for like this one, that one, and then these were fresh ones. These were clean.
Yeah.
Levi's been clean. Yeah, all these pieces are like my little fridge magnet situation where I just stamped stuff on it, and now they're getting some sort of clarity. At least looks more adult. Looks more like grown up arm rather than kid's arm. And it looks way more adult. Nice. I like that half the barcode. When I was thinking like where should we start, I did think about off the barcode, and I was like, it would be just weird, and I thought slicing down half would be cooler. So that became that. Yeah, paint wise, quite sharp paints. There's not meat. There's not really any muscles underneath. There's nothing like meaty squishy there. There's just bones, tendencies, and skin, and you feel the vibration throughout your whole body all the time. I was saying with loose tattoo in my chest, I was just like horrible from the beginning till the end. This was pretty nasty from the beginning till the end. That's about it.